Hey guys, welcome to Login Helps. Today I'll be showing you how to verify a Temu account online on your phone. And now let's dive right in. Now to verify your Temu account on your phone, first open up your Temu app. And after that guys, on the home panel at the bottom of the screen, you can see the home, categories, you and the card option available for us. In order to verify your account, first tap on that you button. And over here guys, you can see the settings at the bottom of the screen, and to proceed tap on that settings. And over here guys, you can see at the top of the screen there is the account security option available for us. Tap on that account security. And over here guys, you can see the information you had entered in order to sign up for a Temu account. Now in order to verify it, just beside the password at the top of the screen, you can see I had entered my email address, and there is a verify now button. If you also have that on your phone, it means you have to verify your phone number or your email address, whichever you have signed up with. And now to verify it, tap on that verify now button, and a code will be sent to you on your email address. I'll wait for it to arrive, and after the code arrives, enter it on over here guys, whatever it may be. And after that, you have entered the code, your account will be verified and ready to use or ready to shop. And with that being said guys, this is how you verify your Temu account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.